In this video, I want to talk about disappointment and how we deal with it, how we move on from disappointment. So, I have a crazy story. Well, not so crazy, I guess. I have a story that I want to share with you at the end. So, how I handle disappointment determines my success. And I've learned in the last few weeks, or no, maybe in the last few months, I've learned instead of using the word you, like how you handle um, disappointment, instead of using that, use my own, how I handle disappointment and how that might um, determine my success. So every time that we are disappointed, do we get down in the dumps and do we take that personally and I tell ourselves, I'll just never make it? Here's the truth about that. If you tell yourself you'll never make it, you're right. You'll never make it. What is success to you? So, am I where I'm at right now? Am I wildly successful? Some people look at me and think that I am. And maybe in their eyes, I am. In my eyes, I'm not even close to where I want to be. Not even close. Here's the truth though. Am I much better than I was yesterday? Am I much better off than I was 5 years ago? 10 years ago? I'm here to tell you, yes, I am. And the reason is because 10 years ago, I was working in a grocery store and, um, stocking shelves and being a cashier and getting paid minimum wage and being told when I could take my time off, when I could take the time that I wanted for my kids to go do fun things. There was no such thing. So, yes, am I better off than I was 10 years ago? Absolutely. Today, I am home. Both my girls have been sick this week. And today, I am home because I can be. I'm an entrepreneur and I took this time off to be with the kids. And so, as an entrepreneur, I get to do that. Do I also take all of the risk of maybe not making the sales that I want to make? Yes, I do. But I do that happily because I have control over when I work. So, disappointment, we can spend a lot of time being disappointed. However, if every time we're disappointed, we just tell ourselves, I just tell myself, let me change that. I tell myself, I'll never make it, then I'm right. However, I might need a coffee right here, or I might need just, some time to decompress, but I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it whether that's better than I was yesterday or whether that's, 6 figures, whatever that might be for you. For me, I know where it's at for me, but for each person, it's different. Um, what I had to learn was I sit and wonder about disappointment. What if I'm disappointed? What if I sign up for this amazing thing and then I don't get what I want? I'm not successful with it. And if the longer I stay in that negative energy, the longer it will take me to get where I really want to go. The negative energy, you may not think that negative energy has anything to do with it, but I'm here to tell you I've experienced it. It does have something to do with it. And so, keep going. I decided to pivot and just keep going. So the story I have for you about being disappointed. So my daughter just turned 15 in February, and she is chomping at the bit to get her permit and to be able to drive. I thought it was 15 and a half when you get your permit, and then you start, being able to drive with other people, with me especially. And then my sister told me, no, it's actually anytime after they're 15. Oh, okay. So my daughter starts studying, and yesterday she thought she was ready to go get her permit. So I took her in, and when we got there, they're like, nope, can't do it not one day before 15 and a half. So she has another 4 months to wait. And she was severely disappointed. So I had to bring out to her how that, yes, she's disappointed. However, it's, she's now ready for it. All she has to do is stay brushed up with it. And for more stories like this, subscribe to my channel and go check out the other videos on this channel. It's all about health, mental health, gut health, mental wellness, and I'm occasionally sharing stories like this because I want to help people to realize that the sooner we accept that disappointments will come, the sooner we can move forward. Even though, yes, it's disappointing, yes, it hurts, but don't stay in that negative energy because that will keep you down. So with that, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.